This time there's another valve here. See the thickness? Okay, what is this valve? Elusical valve. Okay, elusical valve. Okay, this one is the
Dok, maklaro ba ang right and then left?
unless naa siya diha, pero kung yun nang i-detach, hindi na may maklaro. The flexion, you can only identify if it's still attached. Diba? Flexion yun. The corner ba? The corner na ito. So this is the, and then the last part is the two. Okay. If I'm going to tag this one, what are these? Or another name would be appendices epiploicae. Appendices epiploicae. If I'm going to pin or tag this, have you seen this longitudinal muscle? Okay, what is that? Okay, that's tenia coli.
Kailangan pa ba i-specify doon kay free siya? Sa colic or the parental? Kaya na kailangan specify yung
What is another feature for the kuan? Feature for the large intestines? Okay. So, okay, hostration. Okay. Kana siyang mag-ana siya ba? Kani ka na? Na-ever siya mga segment. Mura siya kuan, bitaw murag incomplete segmentation.
So, ano yung pagtingin?
I'm not running. That's only a unique feature of the large intestine.